can't see the bridge pickup, you can tell the difference between the two. The profile of the pickup ring will be larger on the bridge pickup. Also make sure that the individual pole pieces are facing outward from each other, so that really just means that the higher edge faces back. You see I've just marked just with a small piece of green tape just to know which one's the neck and which one's the bridge. And so what I'm going to do first is just put the strings on the guitar and align the pickups to the individual pole pieces. It's not essential they're spot on, but it will help us align those pickups correctly. Okay, so once our strings are in place, just be aligning. So square the neck pickup off the fretboard, and just align so that you're fairly even when it comes to the two outside magnetic pole pieces. Once you're happy with location, just go ahead and mark some pilot holes again. Loosen off the strings just enough to pull that pickup back out, being careful not to scratch the surface with your height adjustment screws. So just when installing these pickups, as you can see, we've got our location of our pilot holes marked. Now you'll find in the packaging, I'll just bring the camera across there, you'll see we've got a series of smaller screws here for the plastic cover and the scratch plate. There should be 8 longer screws. They're the ones we'll be needing for our pickups. Now because they're longer, the threaded section is all that's embedded in the timber, so we would just want to get our pilot holes to 2/3 depth of that screw, of the threaded part of the screw, and just go ahead and drill your pilot holes. Okay, so